How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, joesge.com, where we buy, sell, repair, and educate people on brand name electronics. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to reset your PS Vita. This is the PCH-1101 model, and we're going to be resetting this.
The first thing you want to do, if it is powering on, you're going to click the power button here, get to this mode and click power off. Once it is off, we're going to go ahead and click three buttons. The power button here, we're going to be clicking hit this bottom button here and the right trigger here. So we're going to click all three of those at the same time. And then once we do that, it's going to prompt us to a screen that has 5 options. Within those 5 options, we're going to go down to restore the system, which is option 4. Click on that, click yes, and it will start restoring the system. If you're going to be restoring the system, this will wipe out all the data. Make sure to pull out your memory cards on either side here, and then you'll be reset there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.